In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send Brevo email send. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. From here, go to the marketing section. In the marketing menu, find and open campaigns and then choose email. This is where you will create and manage email campaigns, so it is the correct place to start when you want to send a marketing email. Next, click Create Campaign. When you are prompted to choose a campaign type, select Email. You will then need to enter a name for your campaign. Pick a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns over time. After you enter the campaign name, click Create Campaign to move forward. Now it is time to choose who will receive your email. Click Add Recipients. You will see options to select an existing list. Choose the list you want to send to and take a moment to confirm it is the right audience before continuing. When you are ready, click Save. Saving here locks in your recipient selection, so you can focus on the email content next. After that, click Design Email. This is where you build the look and content of your message. You will be asked to select a template. Choose the template you prefer based on the style of email you are sending. A clean layout usually makes your message easier to read, especially on mobile devices. Once you have selected your template, review it briefly to ensure it matches your goal for the campaign. When you are finished with the design portion for now, click Save and Quit. This safely stores your progress, so you can proceed without losing changes. Finally, click Schedule. This is the step that prepares your campaign to be sent at the time you choose. Scheduling is useful because it lets you plan delivery for the best time rather than sending immediately while you are still working in the system. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.